Hello, it's February the 15th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with the Daily Outlook from UFXBank. The dollar traded mixed against most of the major currencies. NASDAQ strengthened by 0.28%, and the Dow fell by 0.04%. Crude fell by 0.9% and closed at $84.81 for a barrel, while gold rose by 0.4% to close at $1,365.10 an ounce. Today, core retail sales is expected at 0.60% versus 0.50% previously, and retail sales is expected at 0.50% versus 0.60% prior. The euro fell versus most of its major counterparts, reaching its lowest level in more than 3 weeks against the dollar, as European finance ministers ruled out immediate steps to tackle the region's debt crisis. The euro-dollar broke below support at 135, next support is at 134. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 134.28 and a high of 135.58. The pound strengthened against the dollar before reports this week that may show inflation is gathering pace, reinforcing speculation that the Bank of England will raise interest rates this year to curb price growth. The pound-dollar support is at 160 on the daily chart, with resistance at 162. Overall, the pound-dollar traded with a low of 159.81 and a high of 160.77. Today's CPI is expected at 4% versus 3.70% prior. The yen rose against the greenback after GDP came out minus 0.30% better than expected, minus 0.50%. The dollar-yen couldn't break below support at 83 and was captured again at 83.40. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 83.10 and a high of 83.49. Today, the interest rate decision is expected unchanged at 0.10%. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This advanced against the euro for a third day on speculation the Bank of Canada may raise interest rates sooner than the European Central Bank. But the Canadian dollar also weakened against the US dollar. The dollar CAD is at 0.9840. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9847 and a high of 0.9902. Today, no major economic data is expected. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at ufxbank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.